Merry meet magical souls, and welcome back to another magical video. For the month of October, we are unboxing the Witch's Moon box. Out of all the months, this month is one of my favorite months to always do their unboxings. Be sure to check them out in the comment section and description box down below and let them know that I sent you guys. And without further ado, happy All Hallows Eve, guys. Let's open this up and see what's in here. Ooh, so I need to read the thing, but I'm already seeing some stuff in here. Exciting! And it looks like we got a tarot card for this month too. And it is so funny because whatever I got for my tarot card, it says knowledge. Let me connect above and below, let the knowledge of ancestors flow. And I literally just got in their previous box that I opened, guys, the owl pendant to connect with that spiritual totem, guys. So that is super neat that this card resonates with the previous box I just got. It says the Protectress of the Veil is the theme for the month of October. As we step into the sacred season, we begin to truly rely on our practices to assist us in obtaining meaningful whispers of guidance. With the veil thinning, we develop deep into our connections with our ancestral and spiritual guides. While working with these guides, we call upon very specific energies for fierce protection and guardianship. We confidently walk into the dark half of the year, working with the shadows to realize our intentions, and we refine our interpretations and understanding. We have been working on this very exclusive and one-of-a-kind collection for over a year and cannot wait to finally bring these items to our subscribers this upcoming Samhain. The magical items in this box are as follows. Ooh, so there's some amazing Book of Shadows artwork already, guys. First off, we have Medusa right here, and we have Whispers of the Night spell. So, ooh, I cannot wait to read the spell. And it says the mythology of Medusa is conflicting at best and has some knowledge on her here. I think I'm gonna read from that bigger paper though, more about her, but how magical. Ooh, and I feel bad for Medusa. She's definitely misunderstood too. And ooh, what else is in here? There is all this stuff, guys, and it's packaged so good. Alright, guys, so everything was packaged so good with this stuff, but I had to take it off so it doesn't get all messy in the video. But let's see what else is in here. And I want to open the biggest thing first, guys, because I'm that person. Let's see what's in here. Oh my gosh, is this what I think it is? And I seen it on their Instagram. Is this a Medusa head? What? And this one is so pretty, guys, so they depict her in this one. Oop, doesn't want to come out. It's packaged so good. They have this beautiful gold Medusa head, and they have something above her third eye. This is so beautiful. Can you guys see it? Let's do it against the green. So this is how she looks close up, guys. So magical and definitely misunderstood. Such a beautiful representation of her. Thank you, Witch's Moon. Speaking of Medusa, let's read what it says about her too. It says, an exclusive brass Medusa plaque. This one-of-a-kind brass Medusa plaque was designed by the Witch's Moon and exclusively created for this very collection. The deep, tragic, and magical history of Medusa is very dear to us. Her strong protective energies resonate with our sacred space during times of deep shadow work and ritual, guarding us from energies that are not welcome. We call upon this great guardian to watch over us as we work with divine and feminine energies, communicating with spirit guides, guardians to watch over us while we work with the divine, as well as ancestors and work on protective spells. There are a variety of myths associated with Medusa, but most commonly the heartbreaking tale of the betrayal cast upon her. The name Medusa is said to be translated into queen or guardian, originating in Libya, a neighbor to Greece in the Mediterranean. Medusa is considered a sea spirit and the only mortal Gorgon sister on the Gorgian. This is, of course, due to her being a beautiful mortal woman before a curse was cast upon her. It is said in some mythology that Medusa was violated and abused by Poseidon in Athena's sacred temple. Others say that she had consensual sex with Poseidon. It is this knowledge that brought the anger and fury of Athena, who transformed Medusa into a morbid and terrifying creature, capturing the features of a dead corpse Gorgon and growing poisonous snakes as hair. The most well-known characteristic is her deadly stare, said to turn anyone into stone that may capture a glimpse of her gaze. She was cast on a remote island and resided in her lair, damned to an eternity of loneliness and isolation. The young Protheus, in an attempt to save his mother from a forced marriage, visited the island to sever the head of Medusa, hoping to use its profound powers to conquer his enemies. Equipped with a mirror shield, He entered Medusa's lair, walking backwards, staring into the reflection as he approached her. Once she was found, he closed his eyes and swung the sword of Zeus, severing her head. The head of Medusa still carried her immense magical powers and was used to save Perseus' mother before being offered back to Athena. You may often find Athena depicted as a warrior with head of Medusa on her breastplate or placed upon her shield. It is said that when Medusa's head was severed from her body, Pegasus, the winged horse, was conceived. In addition, the blood of Medusa was said to be captured in vials with the ability to raise the dead from a single drop, and other related legends. Okay guys, I'm getting triggered reading this. Medusa was wrong so much, and everyone that messed with her. That is so sad. She's dead and you're still using pieces of her, like, poor thing. But I'm happy she is more ascended now and protected in the divine higher consciousness and energy, because I don't even want to read that. It's so messed up. But poor Medusa. What else is in this magical box? There is something in here. Is this a crystal? Ooh, this looks like some kind of agate onyx crystal, guys. This is a flower agate stone, and I heard a couple years ago flower agate's like really rare now, guys. It says found with chalcedony inclusions marking the features of a flower. This very special form of agate is truly beautiful and carries within immense abilities to assist us during this time. Flower agate has the unique ability to sever our ties with emotional and physical pain or baggage. Perfect with this poor box with Medusa in it. Besides that, guys, there is a beautiful beeswax spell candle and the Veil incense. I cannot wait to use this stuff in my magic, guys, and I look so much better with the hood on in this outfit, this green robe that I got. So we got the Veil incense, we got a big black beeswax spell candle. Ooh, I just love using these in my magic, guys, and they burn so clean, so smooth. So this is the beeswax spell candle. And we have some magical herbs. We have bird's foot, we have yellow dock, and we have something I can't read because the writing is so magical and divine. But we have these magical herbs. Can you guys see a little bit more on the back side of them? So we got those that we can use in our magic. And we have the Samhain ritual bath salts. Smells nice and cleansing, guys, and very earthy too, so I cannot wait to use that in a cleansing bath. I'm so excited for All Hallows Eve, guys. I resonate saying that more. And this is called the Medusa Magical Anointing Oil. So this was definitely inspired by her. Let's see how this smells. It's different, but doesn't smell gross or nothing, so I love that. And this was such a magical box, guys, and definitely was shadow work and shadow season. I could see why they have Medusa in this box, and feel bad for her, but I'm happy she's up there, more ascended and stuff. And I hope you guys have a magical month. This is the season of the witch. I hope you guys have the best time ever. I'm so excited. I have the last week off of October, so I'm going to be enjoying my witchy week, and hope you guys have a blessed time. Be sure to check out the Witch's Moon in the comment section and description box down below to see all their magical items. They have such beautiful things, guys, and let them know that I sent you. Be sure to give the video a thumbs up, subscribe, and turn on those post notifications down below so you're notified for all of my future content. And from heaven to earth, by air, by fire, by water, by spirit, in the name of Goddess Nyx, may you guys always be blessed and rejuvenated in her loving embrace. Merry meet, merry part, and merry meet again, magical souls. Blessed be.